Hello teachers, I'm going to be showing you how to install the printer on your laptops, your new laptops. So the first thing we need to do is we need to get the IP address. And remember, you can do that by going on the internet and typing tinyurl.com/Herrera Tech1. Okay, you will come to my Herrera Elementary Tech site, which is your site as well, and you will click on How To. And if you scroll down, it says setting up a printer to your laptop. We have the different printers in each of the halls. I would suggest for you to put two printers, your hall and the hall across from you. Make your hall the primary printer so we don't abuse the other side and waste our ink and their paper. Remember, we're sharing our paper. So I'm going to use, to show you, I'm going to use the yellow hall, which is the hall across from us in the kinder, which is 10.174.4.66. So when you get to the space, write your IP address, your number, because you will need that number. And when you're done, you can go ahead and close this. And we're going to start at the Start menu. We're going to begin at the Start menu with Devices and Printers on the left side. Once you click Start, click on Devices and Printers, and you will get the Devices and Printers screen. And from here, you will click on Add a Printer at the top. As you can tell, I already have some printers on here. I have the orange hall printer. I have the green hall printer, which I will delete later. I was using it for to show somebody how to do this. And I will click on Add a Printer. It will be a local printer. And I'm going to create a new port. Get down the scroll menu and select Standard TCP/IP port. Click on Next. And this is where you will type in your IP address. The one I'm using is 10.174.4.66 for the yellow hall. I click on Next. Go ahead and leave the query printer and automatically select the driver to use. Click on Next. It will try and communicate with that printer. We want to go ahead and use the driver that is currently installed. It does say recommended, so we'll leave it like that. I'm going to rename the printer Yellow Hall Printer. Okay, and it's going to install the printer. I'm going to leave this, the do not share this printer selected. Click on Next. I'm not going to set this as a default printer because this is not the printer in my hall, but if it is the printer in your hall, you would click on the box and put the check mark there, set as the default printer. Before you do anything, before you click on Finish, go ahead and print a test page. And go ahead and close this because the test page has been set to your printer. Click on Finish and go look for the test page. As you can see, I have my main printer, Orange Hall, selected as my default. I have the yellow printer over here, so if I'm unable to print on the Orange Hall printer, I can always go ahead and select Yellow Hall printer on the program that I'm working. And that is exactly how you set up a printer from your laptop.